All right, thanks very much for coming back to DANNYCOM channel. This is the channel where we take our time and walk you through all the very basic things that you are supposed to know when it comes to technology, be it social media, internet usage, your security with regards to your mobile phones, and then everything that has to do with internet. All right, and so if this is the first time you are joining us, you are welcome. And to all our returning viewers, we want to sincerely appreciate you. And then if you have not subscribed, please click and subscribe. In this video, I am just going to walk you through a short video that I did, and the feedback I am getting is it was too fast, because we take our time and give step-by-step education. So we should just do a new video that will educate people on how to extract text from images or extract text from books in a form of data capture, so that they can get the soft copy out of it step by step for everybody to understand. And so I'm doing this video again for you to understand the process once and for all, without rushing you through anything. All right, and so for you to be able to extract any text from image or even book in a form of soft copy, just open your camera on your phone. Okay, just open your camera on your phone, point it to the book you want to extract the information from, or even the image that you want to extract the text from. Just point that particular camera of yours to that particular material, and then you can see from the down part here, we have some icon that looks like a scanner or a barcode. All right, so just click on that. When you just click on that, you see that it will take capture of that particular information. So at the moment, if you even remove the book, you can see that that particular information has been captured. Now you can select all. Okay, you can select all and then copy. When you copy, you just open your notes and then just make a new note and paste it. So now when I open a new note, just go back, so I can just paste it like this, and the information that I captured from the book, as you can see here, how to win friends and influence people, has that information inside of my notes. How to win friends and influence people. Okay, so if you want to get the correct information, always make sure that you point your camera very well to the material or to the image that you want to get the text from. Okay, so you have to point it very well and then click before you now click on the scanner. Then when you click on the scanner, you can now copy and then move back to the note. And when you enter the note, you just paste it by first of all clicking inside and then click paste. So you can see it started from the top over to minus or something like that. How to win friends, influence people, and all those things. All right, thanks very much for watching.